Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Creations, and today I am working on 3 cake toppers for a very loyal customer of mine. And today we're going to make a happy 50th, and we're going to do a name cake topper. So the first steps I always like to do is know what paper I'm using, and she requested glitter. So that's silver glitter. So what you see here, I am going to speed it up some because it does take some time for me to make my toppers, but I don't want y'all to have to sit around for a whole hour while I am making it. So I'm speeding it up. So that's why the Cricut is going fast. Now my Cricut does have fast mode, but it's definitely not that fast. But I believe you'll get the idea if you are interested in learning how to make your own cake topper. So once you do all the cutting, you can go ahead and plug in your glue gun, get your regular glue together, and any type of sticks you're going to use. I get mine from Amazon. You can grab some from Michael's. It's really affordable. They're not that expensive, but you should definitely always keep your sticks on hand because you just never know. So always buy like the bigger box. So once Cricut finished cutting out my very top layer out of the glitter, we're going to go ahead and peel it off and switch it out and let our back layer start to cut. Now keep in mind, when you have your Cricut, you should always invest in multiple mats, the green, blue, and purple. You should have at least 5 in each color, I would say, because when you're working on larger projects, you really don't want to get stuck with just working with one mat. You want to get multiple mats prepared for your projects so it can move a lot smoother and faster. So as you see here, I'm going to be very careful when lifting up my letters because I do not want them to rip and I don't want them to bend out of shape. So it's always good to invest into Cricut tools to make your crafting a lot easier. I have a lot of different ways on how I create toppers for cakes or cupcakes, and this is one of the techniques I use, which is having a back layer or an offset to my design, which serves as a sturdy like platform for it, so that it's, when you're using a very thin font, it definitely gives it more structure and make it last a lot longer. And I also just like the way it looks. You can choose any color offset, obviously, that you want. Just pick whatever paper, a heavy cardstock, because it really makes it amazing when you have a sturdy and heavy topper. Nothing flimsy, because it's just not going to last and it's not going to look good as a final project. As a final touch, and I believe a very unique touch to my toppers, is that I add a all glitter background to the back of my toppers. I never want to send anything off to a client plain and not glittered out. Like, I definitely love glitter. So I have a few techniques on how I glitter the white in the front. But I will just share with you that the back of my toppers always have some sort of glitter design or the reverse of the words in the front and the back. I just think that it's always good to decorate the front and the back of the topper. It just gives it a very clean and finished look. Now, the last step to assembling your topper is all about your preference. I choose to use hot glue with this particular topper style, but you are free to do whatever style that works best for you. So again, as always, thank you for joining me. Please stay tuned for the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.